Hey everybody, let's learn something new today with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher. In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, we will discover one of the greatest musicians in history. This music lesson is about the life and times of songwriter, producer, actor, and playwright Lin-Manuel Miranda. Lin-Manuel Miranda was born on January 16, 1980, in New York City. He is of Puerto Rican descent, and during his childhood, he would spend time visiting his relatives in Vega Alta, Puerto Rico. In 1999, during his sophomore year of college at Wesleyan University in Middleton, Connecticut, Lin-Manuel Miranda began working on his first Broadway musical, In the Heights. After premiering in Connecticut in 2005 and opening off-Broadway in 2007, the musical went to Broadway, opening in 2008. In 2004, Lin-Manuel Miranda created Freestyle Love Supreme, an unscripted, energetic, and entertaining show that includes hip-hop, comedy, improvisation, and spontaneous audience participation. In 2005, they performed live at the Edinburgh Fringe Festival in Scotland. Lin-Manuel Miranda's most successful creative masterpiece thus far in his professional career is Hamilton, an American musical about the life and times of American founding father and the first Secretary of Treasury of the United States, Alexander Hamilton. Hamilton opened on Broadway in 2015 at the Richard Rodgers Theater, and in 2016, members of the Broadway cast performed live at the White House in Washington, D.C., hosted by the 44th President of the United States, Barack Obama. Lin-Manuel Miranda has received many awards and recognition throughout his amazing career, including a Pulitzer Prize, 2 Lawrence Oliver Awards, 2 Emmy Awards, 3 Tony Awards, 3 Grammy Awards, a MacArthur Fellowship, a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and in 2018, he received the Kennedy Center Honor Award. Test your knowledge. Number 1. What year was Lin-Manuel Miranda born? A. 1968, B. 1977, C. 1980, or D. 1985. Number 2. How many Grammy Awards has Lin-Manuel Miranda received? A. 3, B. 9, C. 12, or D. 20? Number 3. What was the name of Lin-Manuel Miranda's first Broadway musical? A. West Side Story, B. The Wiz, C. In the Heights, or D. The Phantom of the Opera? Number 4. In 2015, Hamilton premiered on Broadway at which theater? A. Richard Rodgers, B. Lunt Fontaine, C. Minskoff, or D. Gershwin? Number 5. Freestyle Love Supreme performed at which festival in 2005? A. Woodstock, B. Coachella, C. Summer Jam, or D. Edinburgh Fringe? Number 6. Lin-Manuel Miranda began writing his first musical while attending which university? A. Princeton, B. Wesleyan, C. Harvard, or D. Morehouse?
Have a nice day, everybody. See you next time with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher.